Here's a 65 Emerson table fan. This one without a shower doubt does need work because it's got bent blades and a bent grill, and the wiring needs to be replaced on it. I'll show you what I mean. You're gonna see what I mean by being off balance. Noisy, huh? Very noisy. Way too noisy. Definitely can't have that. For those that want to know how to take the blade off, you look for a little small hole that's in the rotor. Now that you found the hole in the rotor, you can stick like an Allen wrench in it. Where it locked. Okay, now that the Allen wrench is in, it'll lock the motor in place. And you turn the blade clockwise, the same rotation that the fan will be turning, and the blade should unscrew. And there it is. Inside, you can see it, there's a little slot that drives this small shaft right here. That shaft goes straight to the gearbox for the oscillator. Alright, now let's try it. I didn't want to make a video of me straightening out the blades because, for one thing, it took a long time, for one. Two, there was a lot of cursing involved, you know, me saying bad words, so, you know, to get the damn thing right. So I'm sure y'all didn't want to hear that. All you do now is put some fiber rings in the motor. Get some of the play out of it. In case you're hearing that tapping noise, I'll tell you what it is. This is what you were hearing. I need to put some spacer rings on the shaft. Take some of the play out of it. Okay, the next time I gotta take it apart is when I paint it. sand it down, prime it, and paint it. And that's good.